How to find missing microphone on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find missing microphone on Android phone. To find missing microphone on Android phone, you'll need to simply follow these steps. Sometimes the microphone icon may not be visible due to changes in keyboard layout. You can open any app or the Google search to open up your keyboard. Once you open the keyboard, here at the bottom, look for the microphone icon on the keyboard. It might be located in a different spot or hidden behind a button. If you didn't see this icon, then you can simply tap on the gear or the settings icon in this keyboard, and once you open the keyboard settings, you will need to scroll to find voice input option. Once located, tap on it to open it and then ensure that voice input is enabled. If not, you will need to select the voice input option from here to enable it. Once after doing that, again return back to the home page and open your keyboard. Here now you'll be able to see your microphone icon at the bottom right. If the microphone icon is still missing, then you can try restarting your phone. Also ensure that the apps you are using have permission to access the microphone. So by following these steps, you should be able to locate and find the missing microphone feature on Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.